Good morning children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain the key of 4th July 2020. The topic Getting to know plants. In this assignment, the first question is what kind of venation do plants with taproot have? So what they are asking, the taproot containing plants, what kind of venation it consists. So generally whenever you see the taproot plants, they used to have the reticulate venation. What we used to call reticulate venation. So you can able to see there is a network like of veins will be formed on the leaf. There is a network like veins will be formed on the leaf. This one we used to call it as a reticulate venation. And the next question, what kind of venation do the plants with fibrous roots have? So they are asking if the roots are fibrous, what kind of leaves they used to have. If you see this one, we can able to find that this is the plant where we used to find parallel venation. Parallel venation. The straight lines of veins used to be there on the leaf. This kind of venation we used to call as parallel venation. Parallel venation will be exhibited by the fibrous roots. And the next question. Third question. Are leaf venation and the type of roots in a plant related? Yes, the leaf venation and the type of plant are related. The generally reticulate leaf contains taproot system, whereas parallel venation containing leaf used to contain the fibrous root system. And the next question, fourth one. If we want to know what kind of roots a plant has, do we need to pull it out? No, we no need to pull out the full plant to know whether what type of root is present to that particular plant. Just if you observe the leaf venation, we can able to find what type of root will be present inside the soil. Next question. Fifth question. Dash absorb water and minerals from the soil. So the roots used to absorb the water and minerals from the soil. And the next question, the dash contains water and minerals to the leaves and to the other parts of the plant. So we all know that stem is the main thing which used to conduct the minerals and other components entire body of the plant. And the next question, seventh question, food prepared by leaves travel through the dash and is stored in dash of a plant. So whatever the food which is prepared by the leaves will be stored in the stem and other parts of the plant. And the next question, eighth one, name some roots that we eat. So apart from normal fruits and other things, we used to eat the roots also. The roots which are stored the food. The roots which are storing the food, we used to take that one as a food. So we eat some of the roots like carrot, radish, turnip and tapioca. These are the roots which we are taking as a vegetables or raw fruits or raw veggies as a food. Next question. Ninth question. We also eat many other parts of a plant where the dash is stored. So wherever the parts which are stored with the food, we used to take it as a food. Nothing but food. And the 10th question. Write down what goes up the stem and what comes down. So if you see the stem is the medium for the transport of minerals and substances from the root to the different parts of the plant. That means upward. And as well as stem also act as a carrying of food materials from the leaf to the root and other parts of the plant where it is stored. With this, we have completed all the questions and answers. I hope everyone is clear. Thank you.